We're in a buyer's market, and now the money's just rolling in for the first-time home buyers. So it's pretty much a buyer's market everywhere in the valley. Lots of great opportunities.
Yeah.
Tell me about some of the programs that are helping first-time home buyers or even just an average home buyer.
Yeah, so it's really exciting, Rob, because there's a ton of money that's being allocated to help with down payment and closing costs. So one of the newest ones we have actually allows us to cover the down payment on a conventional loan. You don't even have to be a first-time home buyer, and you can have a cosigner if you need one, so that's unique and different. And then we have a really neat down payment assistance program that also allows us to participate in those temporary interest rate buy downs that are really helping with the monthly payment. Some of them are repayable and some of them aren't, but it's really important to sit down with the lender and find out which programs you qualify for, and most importantly, which one is going to be most valuable for you in your home buying.
Well, sit down with you and talk to you about it. All right. Buyers, you're in the driver's seat. Seize the moment. And thanks for watching.